So before I pull these out, a huge shout out to Midland radios. I was actually on my way to Hidden Falls Adventure Park for my first off-roading in Texas since I've been here, and it's been like a year since I've done anything with this truck. Just been sitting in this driveway. But yeah, I was on my way there and they passed by me on the highway, asked if I had comms, and lo and behold, my Baofeng wasn't even working again. And they were like, oh, no worries, email us and we'll help you out. So huge shout out, because I was not expecting this at all. I thought maybe like a little tiny walkie-talkie was gonna come in the mail, but it was just so much more, and I greatly appreciate it, because I've been wanting this radio for the longest. So it's funny that it came in the mail. But yeah, so they sent a patch, so it's gonna get added to my patch collection. Sorry my voice is like this, I've been sick for so long. So they sent the 15 watts of powerful communication. I've been wanting this for a while. I've been looking at the older models for a long time. But yeah, I love it because since we travel so much, we're going to be able to charge a laptop and charge our tablets and all that. But this is going to get set up quick, and I can also have my antenna where I can finally talk for a longer range. But wait, there's more. I got a t-shirt. T-shirts are always nice. A hat. Had it added to the other hats. More bubbles. And then a little better fully integrated microphone with the LCD screen. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know the difference, but I'm gonna have to read up on knowing why this was added, and I'm assuming it's better. Perfect for yeah. But I'll figure that out. This is all about figuring it out. And then 2 of the talkers. So what I love about this one is now I have this little boy that is just super adventurous, and he's everywhere. So I can give him one. I can have one in my pocket or something, and just let him wander, man. Let him go everywhere. Or if I have a spotter that doesn't have a radio, I can just throw this at him and be like, hey, make sure I don't land on this rock improperly, you know. But yeah, huge, amazing shout out to Midland. I was not expecting this at all when I opened the box. I was like, man, this is a heavy box. I thought it was just gonna be this, for real. I thought it was just gonna be this, and I saw everything else. I was like, man, they hooked me up. So I greatly appreciate y'all if y'all are watching this. Thank you so very much. It's gonna help out a lot. But yeah, that's what I got now. I just have to set everything up. I have to get this truck rewired first. There's a bunch of wiring issues that I have to take care of. But when it's at the shop, I'm gonna just tell them go ahead and hook up the CB up. And yeah. Did I call this a CB? Am I being dumb right now? I